You're pretty good, but the Standard British and the British RP sound the same. I don't know. You're pretty good, but the Standard British and the British RP just sounds the same. I don't know. Well, darling, just sort of to give you a little bit of help there, the British RP should have sounded much more like this. So if it did sound exactly the same, I'm awfully sorry, because that's not how it was supposed to sound. Because it was supposed to sound like this. You know, like if you think of the British RP accent, you sort of think of lords and ladies and Her Majesty the Queen in the royal family. They're very British RP. And then you have the Standard British accent. And of course I have to name accents. So I named this Standard, which it's not a Standard British accent, because a Scouser could listen to it and be like, hang on a minute, my accent's a Standard British accent. Or like Devonshire, you know, like they'd be like, no, my accent's a Standard British accent. But it doesn't work like that. I have to name accents to teach them. So this is what I call Standard British, and this is what I call Standard American, you know, just so that I can name stuff, so that I can teach it. Okay, hopefully that helps.